Hi, my name is Zaki Bashir and I'm the CEO of Gul Ahmed Textile Mills Limited. We are located in Karachi, Pakistan, and we are one of the largest vertically integrated home textile solution providers to the world. We have had a very long journey. We started off in 1952 as a company, and it's a third generation family-run company. And sustainability has been at the heart of our growth process and will continue to remain so. And in that journey, we have had many partners, and of them, Saurer is one of our most significant partners. And together, about a decade ago, we ventured into Autocoro spinning with the Autocoro machines, and what we believe was a revolutionary process at the time for us to use short recycled fibers to make fantastic quality home textile solutions. And today we're happy to say that we have really presented fantastic solutions together, and we will continue to grow and invest with Saurer in newer technologies, whether it be with the Autocoro 11 and also with many back process integration technologies. And we are also planning to venture out of Pakistan in other countries with the recycling plants. And it doesn't only extend up to the spinning plants. When we talk about it, we always say affordability and sustainability go hand in hand. So we have also invested in water recycling technologies, renewable power technologies, fiber recycling technologies, and we will continue to do this as it is the ethos of our company, that we need to impact the world in a positive way to achieve net zero as our targets together with our partners. And we endeavor to continue to instill this in all of the values of our company and our people. And we will continue to invest in human resources where we have complete alignment that circularity is at the heart of our growth process. As in this world of scarcity where resources are getting more and more scarce, we need to play a pivotal role as leaders in this industry.